Good morning student, this is our online class for English subject and today we are going to learn letter I with the help of book of English, your English workbook and your English notebook, which is 4-line notebook. Okay, so first of all take out all the three things. Okay, and after taking out these three things, first of all open your book of English, this one. Okay, now open your book. As I have told you that today we are going to learn about letter I. Okay, which letter? Letter I. But before beginning, first of all what we need to do? Yeah, exactly. First of all we will write the date on the top. Okay. So today is 1. So I am gonna write 1 on the top. Okay. Then hyphen. Then 6, again a hyphen, and then 2, 0, 2, 0. We were writing 5 here, but now we will write 6 because June is the 6th month. Okay, so date is 1/6/2020. Okay. So what is written here? Here are some pictures which start with letter I. Look, point and say the name of the pictures aloud. Okay, so see there are some pictures. Okay, and all the pictures start with letter I. Which letter? I. So we will just say the picture. We will point out the picture and we will say the name of the pictures. Okay. Okay. Students, focus one thing that there is only standing line, but we are not going to write letter I like this. How we will write letter I? First of all, we will make a standing line and then we will make 2 sleeping lines. Okay, one is on the standing line. Okay, one is below the standing line. So this way you will write letter I. Okay, so write it in the book as well. बुक में भी सिर्फ ऐसी लाइन करके हम आई नहीं करने वाले हैं. ओके, ऐसा आई करेंगे हम. ओके, सो दिस इज द कैपिटल आई एंड दिस इज द स्मॉल आई. कैपिटल आई एंड स्मॉल आई. ओके. ओके, व्हाट इज दिस? आर दे सिंपल शूज? नो, दीज आर नॉट द सिंपल शूज. सी, दीज आर द आइस कैट्स. क्या है? आइस कैट्स. ओके, and they also start with letter I. Letter I. But how we are going to write letter I? Like this. Okay. Can you identify this picture? Can you identify the picture? Which picture is this? Which picture is this? This is the igloo. So I for igloo. I for igloo. Igloo also starts with letter I. Next one is ice cubes. Ice cubes. आपके फ्रिज में होते हैं ice cubes? Do you like to eat ice cubes? So ice cubes also starts with letter I. In summers you like ice cubes, na? And in winters? No. Okay. So ice cubes also starts with letter I. Next picture is ink pot. Which picture is this? Ink pot. Ink pot also starts with letter I. I for ink. And see, this is an insect. This is an insect. Insect. I for insect. Mosquito is an insect. Fly is an insect. And insect start with letter I. Do one thing, just correct all the I. Okay, सारी I जो ऐसी बनी है ना, आप सब में उसमें standing line and sleeping line बना लेंगे. Okay, got it? Okay, one more time. I for ice skates. I for igloo. I for ice cube. I for ink pot and I for insect. Okay. I for ice skates, I for igloo, I for ice cubes, I for ink pot, I for insect. Okay? What is written here? Circle the letter which with the names of each pictures begins. Okay, see, there are two pictures. One is this and one is this one. Okay, so we have how many pictures? We have two pictures. Okay, and we what we need to do? We need to circle the correct letter with which the picture is begins. Okay, so this is iron. Your mother iron your clothes, na? Your mother iron your uniform, your mother iron your dress. So, this is an iron. And iron start with letter T. T for iron or F for iron or I for iron. Which one is correct? Exactly, I for iron. So, we will circle letter I. I for iron. Okay? What is this? Your most favorite thing? Ice cream. You love ice cream, na? And in these days, you can easily get an ice cream. So, ice cream start with which letter? I for ice cream or E for ice cream or H for ice cream? I think H for ice cream. Am I right? H for ice cream? No. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. So, how many pictures we have learned that start with letter I? Let's just have a look again, okay? I for ice skates. I for igloo. I for ice cubes. I for ink pot. I for insect. I for iron, I for ice cream. So these are the pictures, these are the things that starts with letter I. If you know some others pictures that start with letter I, so you can tell me their name as well, okay? And in the next part of this video, we are going to learn to write letter I, okay? We will learn that how we can write letter I. Okay.